I think I'm James Brown, because when the bitches hear this, they're gonna be like, wow. Smoking gas, living fast, wearing velvet. Can you take a 4 or 5?
Hey guys, it's 𝗀𝗀 here and welcome back to my channel. Guys, it has been a minute since I filmed. A lot has changed since then. So we're actually in our new apartment now. We're all settled, and I'm sorry I've kind of been MIA. Just been going through a lot of my own stuff, started a new job and everything. But now that I'm working from home, I will definitely be able to provide more videos, and I'm so excited. But just gonna jump right into this video. So I'm gonna try the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and guys, you'll be so happy to know I got new makeup brushes too. So this is gonna be lit. So I'm so mad. I wanted to get the medium shade, but they were completely like sold out of the medium shade because I wanted to mix the light and the medium because I wasn't sure my actual color. But I got the light 240W with warm golden undertones. So I'm sure you guys have been seeing this everywhere. Everybody's been raving about this. I'm just so excited to try it because I just needed a new foundation, and I don't like super thick heavy foundation, so I feel like this will be great. The CC Cream also has SPF 30, which I love, and it says to apply 1 to 2 pumps. All right, so I'm just gonna clip my hair back with some alligator clips. I already cleansed my face and put moisturizer on. Okay, it looks really nice. I'm gonna do the sponge on one side of my face, and I'm going to use the brush on my other side just to see what works best with this. So I'm kind of nervous that this isn't my shade. Like I was saying before, they didn't have many options on shades left. So initially I feel like this blends out super well. This was only 2 pumps, and I could already tell great coverage on my face. And honestly, I actually think this matches, which I'm shocked. I could totally tell, like, right off the bat how much better my skin looks. Put a little here on this side and just dab it in. Normally, I like to, like, go in first with my finger and put the product on my finger and then blend it in. But today, we just going crazy today. Do half of my chin. I'm going to apply the rest of this with my brush. Personally, I like to blend everything in with my beauty blender. I just feel like it blends in seamlessly. Don't come for me, guys. I don't even know if I'm using the right brush, but I'm using this brush. Definitely feel like off the bat, it blends super smoothly. Guys, I haven't used a brush to blend my makeup in, like, I couldn't even tell you how long. So I feel like it blends really well with the brush, but I almost feel like I like it better. Like, I like the way it blends better with a sponge. Like, I feel like it's not as evenly distributed, so I need to go back over this with the sponge because I do not like the look of it. I think this side looks better now, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more to my other side because I just feel like it doesn't look even. Guys, I haven't worn it so long, and this looks like it's one of the foundations that I'll be able to wear and like not blend down my neck, and I love that. Okay, so overall finish, looking a little glowy right now, but I'm not mad about it. Go in, then I'm gonna do my concealer, Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 Fair. I always use this. I just personally love the Fit Me concealer. I've literally repurchased this so many times. I feel like it does what it needs to do. So now I'm gonna go in and blend her. And now I'm just gonna set my face with this brush. Guys, I am no expert, but I mean, I know the basics. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my eyes, put some more powder on my face. And I'm using the Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me powder 220 natural base. If you guys want, put me on to some powder because your girl is in the market for some powder. Yo, I'm filming. Say hi.
Hey.
I'm weak. Alright, let me call you back. Okay, bye. Best friend is the best and got me a whole bunch of makeup and stuff for my birthday. So she actually bought me the Smashbox step-by-step contour kit. Very pigmented off the bat. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. Definitely pretty. I love it. So just blends her in. She blends beautifully. Wow, I'm obsessed. Like my other one, my Anastasia one, like comes off muddy. Put some bronzer at the top of my big fat forehead and just blends that bitch in, you know? Trying to look like a glistening golden goddess, okay? I think I'm gonna use the Risk Taker palette. I'm gonna be risky today, girls. I'm gonna be risky. I've never done eyeshadow really good. I'm gonna use this pretty pink shade with maybe a pop of this. I don't know. We gonna try. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my like corner here and just honestly just blend. And I'm gonna just pop it more into the middle of my crease here and blend her. So now I'm just gonna try to match exactly what I did to the other side with this side, okay? I'm gonna use this little tiny brush to get to my inner crease. I want to put some like color right in here. I'm just gonna go in with this like shimmery gold shade. It's so, and I just love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go on. Ooh, it's really making my eyes pop more. My brows, because I forgot to carve my brows earlier.
Long nights alone, sleeping by myself with no one to hold, and I think
Go apply my lashes off camera because I cannot do them on camera, but just for reference, I'm using these Amazon lashes. They're the 𝗱𝗏𝗯𝗀 lashes. Okay guys, I finally got my lashes on like 10 years later. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this like tinted lip pumper on. Literally this shit burns so bad, but I don't got nothing else to complete this look, so. It's burning so freaking bad, guys. Oh my god. 10 out of 10, do not recommend this. My friend bought me this and she's like even said like this burns. It literally feels like, I can't even tell you. But now I'm gonna take these clips out. Okay guys, so this is how the look came out and I'm actually kind of loving it. Like, as far as the 𝗱foundation, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. If you guys are in the market for a lightweight foundation but do want a foundation that you're able to build up, I definitely recommend getting the 𝗱CC Cream. It makes your skin look so beautiful and natural, and I'm just completely obsessed with it. And I'm really obsessed with this whole look and this whole vibe right now, so yeah. But anyways guys, that's pretty much all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!